So we're here at my annual gingerbread event. We have every year in Keller Park. We have 150 kids that come. Normally, we have all the construction materials to be able to set up, to be able to build a perfect gingerbread house. This year, we're excited to have found a way to do it safely, to continue to bring joy, and that we're giving away the individual houses and materials and then doing a contest so that the children can post their pictures and then have a chance to win the giant gingerbread castle, which is quite magnificent and amazing. So we do all of this for the community. It's free to participate as long as you register, but it's really a fundraiser for Wellroot, which was formerly United Methodist Children's Home. It's a really great program. Everybody is asked to bring a toy to be able to provide to them, and ideally we have 150 toys to be able to bring joy to children there as well. Super excited to be here in 2020 and being able to continue this tradition, bring a little bit of joy to the community.